Top 10 Boiler Emergency Handling Questions with Best Answers, 2026. 1. What will you do if boiler water level suddenly becomes very low? Best answer. Immediately reduce firing rate or stop burner. Check feed water system and feed pump. Never add cold water suddenly to overheated boiler. Inform control room and supervisor. Shut down boiler safely if required. 2. What will you do if boiler pressure rises abnormally? Best answer. Reduce fuel supply immediately. Check pressure gauge accuracy. Open safety valve if necessary. Inspect steam outlet valve. Monitor pressure continuously. 3. What action will you take during boiler tube leakage? Best answer. Reduce boiler load immediately. Identify leakage location. Isolate the boiler safely. Stop firing if leakage is severe. Inform maintenance department. 4. What will you do if burner flame fails suddenly? Best answer. Stop fuel supply immediately. Purge furnace properly before restart. Check ignition system and fuel pressure. Restart only after troubleshooting. 5. What will you do during boiler explosion risk? Best answer. Shut down fuel supply immediately. Release pressure safely. Evacuate nearby personnel. Inform emergency response team. Follow plant emergency SOP strictly. 6. What will you do if boiler feed pump fails? Best answer. Start standby feed pump immediately. Monitor water level continuously. Reduce boiler load. Shut down boiler if water level cannot be maintained. 7. What will you do during power failure in boiler plant? Best answer. Stop fuel firing safely. Check emergency power system. Maintain safe boiler shutdown procedure. Monitor pressure and water level carefully. 8. What will you do if safety valve is not working? Best answer. Reduce boiler pressure immediately. Stop firing operation. Do not operate boiler under unsafe condition. Replace or repair safety valve before restart. 9. What will you do if black smoke comes from chimney? Best answer. Check air-fuel ratio. Inspect burner condition. Ensure proper combustion air supply. Clean nozzle and burner assembly. 10. What will you do if water hammer occurs in steam line? Best answer. Reduce steam flow gradually. Drain condensate from steam line. Check steam traps operation. Avoid sudden valve opening or closing.
If this video helps to